So, fold your hands and then join me in the prayer in your own spaces. Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakotis Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarva Karyeshu Sarvada. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. So, the prayers are, we invoke Lord Ganesha to seek his blessings that we do not have any hurdles in our session and it becomes a great, it's a smooth path. And then Guru Brahma. See, our Guru is what? He is Vishnu, Maheshwara, Brahma. It is all three together and he blesses and guides us through all of these sessions and all times in our life. So we surrender and take the blessings of the Guru before we start. And then Saraswati is the goddess of knowledge. So we invoke her blessings also so that we have an easy session and all of us learn and benefit out of it. Okay. So after the prayer, as we thought, what would we do? Today's first session was on art, right? So you've been asked to keep handy your paper plates, sketches, scissors, scale, and pencil. So we will now, I'll share this with you. We will see this.
Shall we remove the prayers, Divya?
Yes, Amma, remove the prayers.
Okay, Divya.
Divya, can you kindly remove the slide?
She has gone out.
Or if you have that, you can share to Amma. If you have that PPT, is also good.
No, I don't have that here, but I've stopped share, so the prayers are off, and now you can share again. Are you able to share?
And I'm doing it on screen. Art. No scribbling, no scribbling. Please be patient. Wait.
I'll start again. Okay, 1 minute. Divya, are you there?
Yes.
Yes.
So, yes. Happy birthday, Shravani Unnati. Amma, you just disable this chat for some time?
Yes, yes.
And
I'll disable the annotate. I'm trying to see. Maybe you can do that. Annotate.
I'm not having those features.
I also cannot do because you are sharing, I think. Okay, let's continue.
Okay. All right. So, children, I hope you have all of you have these things ready with you, right? So, our job starts first. Take your plates. Each of you take your paper plate or a cardboard that you have handy with you. Take the scale and try to center your plate. Just take and center your plate. Just that is to have in your mind the centering, so that what you do next, you will have to draw arcs, small arcs. It will be helpful for you. Yeah. So everybody starts and it takes you first step of our artwork is you keep your plates. Some of you can show me if you have had your plates ready. And scales. Yeah, wonderful. I see a couple. Yes. You keep it handily, then take your scale and you center it, right? And just mark a small dot somewhere there on the top and at the bottom. This is the first slide of our activity. I will be giving you a couple seconds so that we all go together, right? After you have marked those points on your plate yourself, see? the bottommost point, from there you start drawing the smallest arc with your pencil. A circle is there, right? The lower line is the smallest arc. So you make a small arc there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Biggest line will be, you see, the smallest, and the biggest arc, you'll have to draw 6 of them on your plate. You have your pencil, you have your surface, whatever it is, a plate or a thing, please draw, and with a spacing between one each. See, the gap between one arc and the second one is about a ½ inch. Yeah. Make that many arcs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah. So all of you are doing it. See, here the art apart, focus and concentration also is a key thing here in this activity. Yes, wonderful, wonderful. I can see Gamini showing it to me. Please draw, the rest of you too. Then, after you have drawn your 6 arcs, see, you make your inverted V's there across to form a crown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, as is in my chart. So as many as you can, with enough spacing of about 1 inch, make an inverted V to form something like a crown on the towards the outer edge of your plates, as you can see it on your screen. Good, good, Aditya, wonderful. Go ahead. I can see, yeah. Vibha is doing, Akshay, yes, Khushi, Yuan, Shripada, nicely engrossed. Good, good job. Ujjwal, yes, I can see. For some of you students who are elders, it would be a little quick, but then we'll give time because we have a diverse group here, right? All the children finished drawing. Paper is good. You can use a paper. Yeah, rub it off. Yes. Good, good, good. Challa is good. I see yours too. Yes. So, but then I don't think you'll be able to color on that silver foil plate, Amma. That's the problem. Wonderful. Who is this artist here? Good job. That means you're not doing your work. So after you have done that, now is the time to take your scissors out.
Who's not able to understand? Somebody.
Somebody. Who's that child? We'll stop here. Maybe who wrote, who said not able to understand? I didn't get your name actually.
Let me enable the chat. Just unmute them all, right?
See, we were here at this point. What did you not understand? You can chat and ask.
I'm not able to enable chat.
No problem. No. Anybody, if you can raise your hands, I'll see and I'll talk to you. Who is it? Who's not able to understand?
Now it's enabled. Please write. Who is not able to understand?
No. Either you understand or rub away what you have written, please. Pranavi. Okay, Pranavi, what do you want to know, Ma? Can you write your question?
Pranavi, let me unmute. Okay, who is it? Pranavi, no? Okay, Pranavi, please unmute and ask Kusha, ma'am.
Actually, I don't have those materials, so.
Then it is that. Then you just simply sit and watch, please. You can simply sit and watch. Okay? And then we'll share the video in the group towards the end of the day. Then after you get the material, you can try and do it yourself. Okay? So for that, what has to be your question? It is learning in every sphere. So then what should you say? Ki, ma'am, I do not have material. You cannot say, I don't understand, right?
Ma'am, but I didn't write that I'm I'm not able to understand. So somebody else has wrote.
Okay, Akhilesh, Amma, can you unmute Akhilesh once?
Yes, I will do that. 1 second. Akhilesh is not here. Is he here? Ah, he's here. Akhilesh, unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was not able to understand the first step. You told something like centering the plate. I was not able to understand.
When you initially started the activity, Akhilesh, you had a round plate with you, right?
Yes.
So from where to start your arc, drawing your arcs? For that you need some point to center, right? So you can take your scale and place it to divide your plate into two arcs.
Two halves.
Yes, which is when you can start drawing your lower smallest arc first. From that point down, you will start drawing, which is visible to you on the screen. See, Akhilesh?
Yes. Should we use any tool like compass or something to draw the
No,
arc?
no, freehand drawing, Akhilesh. Simple as it. Afterwards, you will color this so that it will become invisible. You will not be able to see all of it.
Okay.
These are light lines, so that, see, you are a little senior student. We have 7-year-olds and 9 years. For them also, it has to be easy, right? So it will be a freehand drawing, right?
Okay.
Is it clear, Akhilesh?
Yes. Now it's clear.
Thank you. And who wrote? Did you write this? Not able to understand?
Okay, Usha, Aditya writes, I don't have the right material. Then what?
And then you can watch, Amma. You'll simply sit and watch. Yeah.
Then do you have the wrong materials?
No. He's saying right materials. It's just that English word, I think. He means to say he doesn't have the material with him, perhaps.
Yeah, just watch.
Just watch. Those of you who do not have the material, please watch. We understand fully. Corona time, shops must have been closed. Hard for parents to equip you with this. My friend Mahati and Maitreyi are in the camp too. Papam, they also had a hard time, and then her father was on the roads and managed to get it, he said. He texted to me personally. Yeah, so we are here after you finish drawing the arcs and those inverted V's to make the crown-like thing. We move forward. You take your scissors, right? See, we are here at this step. Is everyone along with me? I hope so. And then along the V's that we have drawn, here you need some time. I'll give you 3 minutes. You slowly, don't hurt yourself. Use your scissors to cut and make a crown. By now you know what is kind of coming, right? What will be the end product? You will be getting a fair idea from this slide now. So take your scissors and cut along the line that you have drawn to make and let this plate appear as you can see on your screens. Good. Good. Wonderful. Sripada, yes, go. Keep going. I can see you doing the job. Vibha, yeah. Ujjwal, Yuvan, doing good. Akhilesh is immersed. Very good. Stop me. And then who? Avinash, Aite. Good. Chetan, Rahul, I can see. Good. Rhythm, are you doing? Good, I can say. Good, very good. Take time and use. Now you will learn to maneuver the scissors also. You keep moving your plate. You keep moving your plate to bring it to front of you and then do the cut. Good, nice, colorful plate. Sunaina, good. Srivastava's plate is good. Mahati, why is your screen video off? Turn it on. Turn your camera on. Shravani, Haripriya, Arya. Even if you do not have the material, kindly turn on your camera. Karthik, Kirtana, Nitika, Anish, all video cameras turned off. Please turn them on. Good job. Good. Everybody cutting? Yes. Take your time. Just get this. The arcs and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. And those of you, any of you who is finished, can show it to me so that I understand at least one child has completed this. So after you finish cutting them, please show it to me. You can just show and then I'll see it from there. Maitri, why did you use your camera off too? I'm surprised.
Arjun, you can unmute.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I'm done.
Arjun, is that right, Usha? Arjun's?
Arjun, I don't see him. I'll scroll to move forward. Oh, wow, Vivan, good. I see Vivan's is ready. Arjun's, where is Arjun? I'm not seeing him yet.
Nair.
I think. Rishi, I can see. Yes, Arjun, yes, perfect, good, very good. So nice. But you did it off in a rush. See, one of the V's fat and big, the others, they have to be uniform, right? So next time when you do, we'll ensure that. First time is a rough. So when you do it later on all by yourself, you will get a beautiful one too. Oh, good, Yuvan, Virat, wonderful, great, so nice. Oh, this is Vibha is perfect. I like the crown there, it's neat. Vivan, Shripada, they're very close, Amma. See, try to do it well. You're not doing it right, Shripada. See, you go back, look at the screen, see how has it to be. Finished, yes, okay, I can see. Please erase your S and finished. We want everybody to join. Team effort, right? You are strong as a team. Singly, a person is always weak. Samskriti is a team of teachers, right? Alone, nobody can do much. Only when it's a team, there is a lot of strength and unity. In unity is strength, right? Good job. Very good. You've erased it. So, some of you, yeah, Sripada, Siyama, maybe you can keep this aside. When you do it next time, you try to cut the V's, as you can see on the screen. You have to draw them well first, inverted V, and then cut them accordingly. So after you have finished this step, I guess most of you are done and yeah, oh great, yes, Ujjwal, I can see. Then now is the time to pull out your sketches. Each of you keep, what colors did you procure? Vibrant orange, yellow, and red. So from this skeleton of this, what do you think it could be? Looks like what? There it is. Use your colors, dark colors, and start coloring them. So each of an art, see, one small sector, you give one color. Here we have used violet, blue, green. You can be creative and use any color that you like. For these 7 arcs lines that you have drawn, fill them up with some color. Start filling each of the sector with the color of your choice, the dark colors. Aditya? Watching? Yeah. Good. It's okay if you don't have the small thing. Good job. Wow. So your hands are tied now. You have no time to scribble or chat. So stay focused and color well. Good job. Oh, wonderful. Rahul's great. Very nice. Beautiful. Start coloring. Rahul R is good. Is very nice. Color it. Start coloring. Khushi, you have any trouble? Okay, good. Go ahead. Maitri, good. I see you now. Camera is off. It was off before. It's now on. Turned on. Yeah. Khushi had a wonderful handwriting that I saw in the homework that she submitted yesterday. No? Very nice print. Good job. Good, good. Wow. See, each of you is engrossed. I like it. Nice. Here too, if any of you has finished, you can show it to us. You nicely use different colors for all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colors, and then draw color them evenly, not zigzag, just doing it like that, but slowly in unidirection. In one direction, you have to keep coloring. Good, good job, Vivan. Yes, Virat. Good, good. Keep going. Do the others also. Darken them. Darken that coloring still further. It's not very, make them dark. You know, actually, art and craft is such a fun and engrossing activity. At this age, I love, and I myself as a student, and I learn so many things. We are keeping this so simple in view of Corona, and it is hard for you to get the material. Otherwise, each session you will come up with something so creative that when you look back and see it, you will be so happy for having done that. So each of you, please participate with full attention and try to bring out the best of what you can. Oh, good. Yeah, I know, understand. Good. You're raising your hand. Who's it? Someone's raising your hand.
Yeah, a few people have raised their hands, but I also can't see them.
I know, name is also not there, I think. Govind Dakshama and Rudransh Sai. If you can, I think they want to say them. I don't know if it's by mistake, but they have raised
Give
their
me a name, Usha. Who do you want unmuted?
Govind and Rudransh. Amma, these two names.
Govind Daksh. Okay. Govind, can you unmute?
Ma'am, we should do coloring any same colors or any
Different colors. Huh?
any colors.
Any colors, dark colors, different colors of your choice. Pranavi also wants to ask. Huh? Yes, Vivan, it's perfect. Make it dark. Make it darker.
Ma'am, it is okay, ma'am.
Which one? Yes, Ujjwal, perfect. Make it darker. Use some force and make it little darker.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, how about Rudransh now?
Rudransh, yes.
Ma'am, we should color the sun with some light yellow and some dark yellow.
We haven't come there yet. The sectors, you will do different colors and fill up the small band, the 6 column, the 6 sectors that you have got, just color them up. And then, yes, you will have to use yellow for the sun. You're right. Vivan wants to say something?
Ma'am, by mistake, I joined now only, ma'am. By internet problem.
Okay, no problem. You can start from here, and then in the evening when our guru will share in the group the video, you can see and do it by yourself in the home, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Good job. Very nice. Vivan, Amma, you can see Vivan?
Yes, Vivan.
Ma'am, like the texture of the plate itself is rough, so I can't darken it more than.
I didn't get you. What did you say, Vivan?
The texture is rough, so even if I color it, it's gonna be a little patchy.
All right, that's okay. If in that case, if the surface is hard, you just can leave it there. Maybe you're using color pencils instead of sketch. No, you have the sketches. Okay, all right. Good. Nitika, erase what you've done. Good. Very nice. Yes, Guru is showing something. Somebody's name is Guru. Wow. Guru is saying something. Good job, Guru. Wonderful. Nice. Adish, good. I can see. What is that? You have a nice dew in front of you. Good. Yeah.
Okay, Pranavi. Somebody called Pranavi.
She also had raised her hand, Amma.
Yeah, she or he. Let me see. The right name, Pranvi. Okay.
Pranvi.
Not
Yes.
Pranavi, but Pranvi. Yeah. Okay, Pranvi. Unmute. Yes.
Cardboard.
Pranavi?
Like this cardboard. Means not circle.
I can't see you. One moment. Where are you in the gallery? Wait. Okay, yeah. No, Arya is showing. Pranvi, where are you? Rishi, good. Rishi is good. I'm coming, Pranvi. I can't see you yet. Sunaina, good. Keep coloring. Go ahead, complete the colors. Pranvi, where are you? I don't see. Are you? What is the question, Pranvi? Okay, this is pretty simple. Should we move after you have done this? Let's go. Have you all colored something like this to get this? See how it has started to become beautiful and colorful now. We are halfway through. Good. Nice, nice. Good. Great. Did you get 6 of them? 6 sectors? Did you color all of you? Then now is the time to use what? Your yellow and dark yellow, light yellow, orangish yellow, all those shades of a radiant sun. And you start coloring alternately the crown. See, start with the first V, leave one, the next. Alternately, you color them yellow, as you can see on your screen. You have a circle which is cut. You have colored the sectors with 6 different colors. Now you go to the crown and start coloring the inverted V's alternately, leaving one gap after the other in yellow. You use yellow color. Done? Good. Just for ma'am have a doubt. Yes.
Who is it?
I missed the name when it came. Who is that? Ma'am, I have a doubt. Can you type it out? So that we can unmute you. I didn't get the name. Ma'am, I have a doubt. Who said? Rudransh Sai.
Rudransh?
Rudransh Amma, yes.
Yes. I've already spoken, but okay. Go ahead.
Yes, Rudransh?
Ma'am, I don't have a doubt. I did not wrote it.
Okay. then who scribbled the and this is yes, ma'am, done. Okay. Yes, ma'am, done. Erase. No, ma'am, Pranvi. Okay, Pranvi.
Guru, Usha.
Huh?
Guru, somebody called Guru has a doubt, imagine.
I know, I was wondering. The name is a good one.
Okay, Guru, please unmute and
Yeah.
ask your doubt.
We have wonderful names in this camp, Amma. Vedant and Guru are our very words that are dear to us.
That is our karma. Okay, Guru. Is
Not that. But I don't have orange.
No, ma'am, Pranvi.
volume, Guru.
Raji asked me to go back. Raji, see, we are here after we've done this. Right? After we finish coloring these, we move down to this step here. We start the crown and alternately color them yellow. Yes, Akhilesh. Yes. Pranvi. Amma, you have to unmute this Pranvi, I think. I cannot.
Okay, right. Yeah, Guru was still trying, but some noise interference.
We were not able to hear him. No?
Okay, Pranvi, unmute.
Ma'am, though this cardboard can be available to cut and color.
Which one?
And this one.
Pranvi, did you log in with your own name? Pranvi? How can this Akhilesh have done 2 yellows? Which yellow should I use? Use the darker yellow. Use a dark shade of between the two, whichever is dark, use it, Akhilesh. And please remove what's on screen. Yeah. And
Wow,
then
this is fantastic, no? Asking by typing on the screen and removing.
The brilliant kids emerge. They're
Amazing,
powerhouse of
amazing.
talent, actually.
I think we should have one session. They should teach us.
Yeah, I think with them, Akhilesh and I think Srivalli or Vibha also, they will all guide us on using.
That's true.
This
Okay, who
one
else
can
wants to be
be-
unmuted?
Yes, Pranvi, you can use that cardboard also, but your tiny hands will need lot of strength to cut them, Srivalli. Pranvi.
Ma'am, I cannot cut that the correct shape. If I have the
Thin one, no? Yeah. So it's okay. For today, you watch everybody. Then when you get the thin plate, that time you can cut, okay? Huh? Is that okay? Yeah. Smile. Good job. Very good. Smiling. Have a nice smile on your face. Yeah. So after the sectors and the arcs are colored, then you've done alternately yellow. Then now whatever is left out, the blank V's, there we do orange, do dark orange. Have you seen sun at the time of sunrise and noted the color orange? That kind of an orange is to be brought down on the paper now. It's not possible, but let's try. Yes, so the alternate inverted V's, which is a crown of the sun in the making, please, you colored yellow before, now you use orange.
Srivalli has a doubt. Should I unmute her?
Yes, Amma. Yes.
Yes, Srivalli.
Ma'am, actually, I don't have red color sketch pens. Can I do with pink rose?
Please use. We'll see a different sun. No problem. Please use. If you don't have, please use whatever color you have. You can use. Yeah. So we will see a creative sun, a different. Normally we know of a yellow and orange sun. So today we are going to see a different colored sun.
Vivan is completed. He's saying, can you see it?
Vivan, I can't see. Wait, I have to scroll several things. Who's there? Guru is showing good. Very small sun. You can, okay. Then, yeah, Vivan, wonderful. Maybe since you have time, try to just darken it furthermore. Try to make it dark. Good. Yeah, Ujjwal, fantastic. Very nice. Even you have some time till the rest of the children join. Please make it a little more darker and brighter. Ujjwal is very nice. Just use some more force and do another round of drawing on it. Then who else is showing to me? Yeah, Rishi, wonderful, good, it's nice, very well done. Yes, Virat, wonderful. Unnati, good, very good. Wow, Rahul's is wonderful. Your sun is just so bright and splendid. Wow, it's good. Tejas, I can see that.
Yeah, beautiful.
Good, very good. So, yellow and orange to the crown of the sun. Ma'am, I don't. Who's that? I don't finish. Please erase. Ma'am, I didn't finish the arches. We are waiting, Nitika. Take your time. Please erase what you said. You didn't finish. We will wait, but please erase what's on my screen. Yeah, good job. We are waiting for you. And for those of the children who've done, now dun-dun-dun, the sun, the cone. So the round, you just fill up the space, empty space with yellow.
Wow.
Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah, good. Oh, indeed, the sun. You know, we have Aditya Hridayam. Sun is such a god, powerful god. Think of it. What if sun is angry with us and he says, no, I'm not going to rise today and sleep all day long? Can it? The life, this whole creation will come to an end. So, such is the wonderful sun that you're making an art of. So, yeah, please fill up the yellow and get a bright, shining sun with you. Each of you must have, wow, look at that arrow, good. Yeah. Please don't write on it. Everybody mind your work and finish coloring and then show it, because we have something very interesting if you have time.
Sure, you should be able to clear the scribble or no?
No, I don't have. Only I'm able to share right now. I'm not able to do any of those. So yellow, you've colored. Yes, ma'am, done. Who is done? Can anybody show? Good, good. Fill it up. Fill the color. Done, done, done. Okay. Still waiting for a couple more children to join and say done. Please erase. Yes, one done, ma'am done. I have seen. Please remove that. Rishi and Kandur. Rishi Kandur. Rudra Sai. Mischievous boys trying to do something on the screen. No. Now towards the end, as we're moving, getting close to 11:40. So yes, undo all that is done. I want a smiling sun, right? Sun is radiant and we are not able to see him directly. So just put some beautiful twinkling eyes that have a twinkle with them and a wide smile. Make a face of it with two beautiful eyes with a twinkle and a wide grinned face. This is, yeah, smiling sun we want. Good? Wonderful. Each of you is so busy doing it. Good job. I can see most kids are doing it. Yes. Yes, ma'am, done. So for those of you who have done, yes, this is your sun. I'm not taking you to make this, because I see most kids do not have this cotton and glue. So after you have done this eye, the twinkle and the white face smiling sun that you have, ideally the idea was to get you to use your glue and use that like the Santa Claus, the cotton on his chin, which would, if you scribble, you won't be able to see. See? Yes. See, you will do this and the end product would be something like this. A smiley sun, and below, this is it. This is what is expected. But since it is Corona time, shops closed, and few of us do not have the material that is needed. After you have a sun with a twinkling eyes and a smiling face, it was expected that you would use your cotton and stick it up to this sun. So what you could do now is, if you're not doing this, use a two-way adhesive tape, put it to the back of your sun and stick it in your room on your walls. And then seeing this sun every day, make it a practice and perhaps do 1 or 2 Surya Namaskars, salutations to sun god, and do Surya Namaskars using your own artwork that you've come up with, a smiling sun. Guess most of you have completed. If you have not, please take time after the session, during the break, after our class, after we finish both the classes, and then do post your sons in our group when the group is open for all of you to share your homeworks. All right? Please post your artworks in the group. I would love to see them. And each of you, please don't throw this away. Preserve it, save it, use a two-way adhesive and stick it onto your walls in your own rooms, right? So we have maybe, Amma, another 10 minutes. Can we use 5 minutes?
No, sure. We have to give a break in 5 minutes.
Okay, in 5 minutes, right?
Yeah, 5 minutes more you have.
Yeah. So on to there.
Yeah, they can finish in their own time. And should we close up, or you have something else?
I will conclude. Just give me 5 minutes and I'm stopping this. You can't not start share screen.
And we have to take a photograph, Usha. All of us in gallery mode with all the suns.
Yes. If you can display.
That we'll do in the, yeah. You stop sharing. Now everybody hold up your sons. Okay, we can give them time, Usha, after your, whatever you need to do now. Yeah, we can see a few sons. Usha, are you there? 1 second, maybe she's muted. Yeah, just a second. Let me unmute Usha. Yes, Usha?
Yes, Amma, now I'm able to. Yeah.
Okay. Now you all have to wait, for every screen. I will proceed. We'll take a photograph. Everybody hold up your sons.
Oh, yeah. All of you, please show. Wow, wonderful. So colorful. Yes.
If you Govind Daksh, no son? You have to become the son then. Aditya. Okay. Okay, now Divya, you can take. All right, so I will just move from one window to the next. Okay, this is the next one. Wow, rhythm, so colorful. Wow.
Yeah. So while you pause, children, for those of the senior Akhilesh, Aditya who did not participate, you think and let me know what comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years. What is that? Can you tell me what it is?
Can you
Each of you, Akhilesh, Maitreyi, Mahati, the senior students, what is that which comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, and never in 1,000 years? What is that? Think about it.
M?
See our Amma.
No, I'm reading in the chat box, Usha.
Oh, you saw?
In the chat box, I don't know the answer. I'm
Oh,
reading.
wow. M. Akshay. Good. Wonderful. Wow. Okay, Soto. Then, which month has 28 days? Which month has 28 days? Vivan says February. Sunaina says February. Wow, I like this. Who's this? Who said 12? Rhythm said 12. All the months have 28 days. They have 30 and 31, right? Huh? So, yeah. This is a very simple one. Which has 4 legs and yet can't walk? Which has 4 legs and then can't walk? No. Table. Good. So many. Haripriya, Akshay, Akhilesh, good. And maybe I have another minute left. So now I have to tickle your minds to think harder. So, what is that as large as an elephant, but not as much as heavy? Which one is as large as an elephant, but has no weight? Which is that? Want me to read it again? What is as large as an elephant but has no weight? I think this quiz master gets the questions here, answer here, and a mark. No. 67 new message. It right. SHW, if it's shadow of the elephant, Rahul. Wonderful. Wow. And then one more. I have a time for it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, Virat, excellent.
Wonderful. So nice. See, everybody has answers. I'm so excited myself. I have a face and I have 2 hands, but I don't have legs. Who am I? I have a face, I have 2 hands, but I don't have legs.
Oh, this is easy.
Good job.
Easy.
Good. Very good. Good. Oh, wow.
Everybody keep holding your sons, we want to make sure.
Yeah, in the meantime, you can also hold and show your sons so that we take a picture and make this a session very, it'll be a remembrance for all of us.
Divya, take as many as you can. We just don't want to miss anybody. Okay.
And so the last one to conclude, I would say I fly all day long. I fly all day long, but I don't go anywhere. I don't go out anywhere. I only keep flying. I'm not an aeroplane. I'm not a kite. Who am I? I fly all day long.
I don't think anybody will guess this. Akhilesh also may not.
I think they should. They will.
Okay. This was little hard, you know.
Okay. See? I fly all day long. I don't go anywhere. Who am I? What am I? I'm not a bird. I'm not a kite. I'm not an aeroplane. What do we? Yes, somebody's ready, Unnati. What do you hoist on Independence Day, Republic Day?
Yes.
Good. There you got it. Bingo. Yes. So your flag flies, right? I hope. Okay, children, that's all. I conclude my session. I hope all of you had a good time. I thoroughly enjoyed. Om Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to me, Amma. I'm so indebted. I have no words to express my gratitude. Thank you.
Wonderful, Usha. It's so lovely. Look at Arya and Diksha. They have two identical sons. Amazing.
Ah,
Can you see?
I know. Look, he made Arya and Diksha showing two sons. And Chandra's is beautiful too. Wow, Sunanya, the eyes.
Yeah,
Just brilliant.
nice. Now, what we can do, should we ask them to put it in the group or it'll be too much?
No, Mike, it'll be wonderful actually.
Wonderful. So
Otherwise, personally to my number also is
Yeah.
good.
everybody put the sun on the group, you know, just center it nicely and we will see how the eyes are, how the everything is. Okay? Wonderful.
We can use their own sons for your final day when we plan a month. We can put it as a backdrop, no?
Yeah, definitely. And others who didn't take part, you also
Rahul, wonderful. Rahul, Khushi is so beautiful. See their sons. Wow.
Aditi, yes.
Maitri, did I see yours? I don't see. Just show it to me once. I haven't seen yours. Did you do it? Okay. You haven't finished. Good. Mahatis, please post them in the group. Rahul is good. Yeah.
Shivali, go.
Nitika, wonderful. Nitika, Rahul is displaying it so nicely, and your crown and cuts is beautiful, Rahul. You've cut it really well. Your scissor sense is good.
I'm amazed, Usha, that in a short time they were able to follow instructions so well.
Yes, Amma. Yes. Actually,
Color it. Amazing.
yes. Amazing. No, see, so many. They did it so well.
Yes,
Wow.
yes.
Kushi is also doing Rahul. So I'm not able to take my eyes off your sons. They're so shiny and bright and brilliant. Rahul, Rishi. Good. Thank you. Amma, break time. You'll announce 11:50.
Yeah. So thank you, everybody. It's almost 11:50, right?
Yes.
So we will be back at 12:05.
12.
So we'll take 15 minutes break and have a snack or water, whatever you need to do, and come back for Ramayana session 2, and that will be wonderful.
Akhilesh wishes to be unmuted, Amma. I think he wants to say something. So for all those who said is very nice, thank you so much, children. It's joy to have. If you all enjoyed the session, my mission is successful. I'm so happy you're happy.
So
And
we will meet after the break at 12:05, as I was saying before I got
Okay.
interrupted.
oh,
Lakshmi Garu will continue the session 2 on Ramayana, which will be very interesting. We have 3 sessions total. Okay, so make
Yes.
sure, children, you're back on time. Okay, and we will see you soon. Om.
oh.